We're gonna start with 4 overly ripe bananas. We're making banana swirl cinnamon crunch bread. We're gonna put them at the bottom of our bowl here. Get yourself a masher and start to mash them up. All right, now that you got that nice and mashed up, get all the little bits off of there that you can. And we're gonna add in 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs at room temp, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and you're gonna put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in there as well. Once you have all those ingredients, you want to go ahead and give it a good stir, get them nice and combined in there together. Okay, once you have those ingredients all stirred together, you're going to want to take some all-purpose flour and you want to put in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour into the mixture. There you go. And you're also going to want to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. So we got our flour, baking soda, and we're going to just throw in about a teaspoon's worth of salt as well. And once you have those dry ingredients, go ahead and get that stirred together in your bowl. Okay, now that we have our batter mixed together, we're gonna come over here and make our cinnamon crunch. So we're gonna start with 3/4 cups of brown sugar. I use dark brown sugar, that's what it said to use. If you prefer light, I'm sure that would be okay, but this recipe said to go dark. Once you have your 3/4 cup of brown sugar, you're going to put in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and a tablespoon's worth of cinnamon as well. Once you have those dry ingredients in there, we're going to put 2 tablespoons worth of melted butter. Once you have all that together, you're just going to want to get that combined. Okay, so we got our cinnamon crunch mixture pretty good mixed together. So all right, moment of truth, we're going to come back over here to our batter on a 9x5 bread pan. We're going to put half of that batter, about half the batter mixture, into the bottom of it. And make sure you have it greased up. I greased it up with some butter. Once you have that batter in there, this is a fun part. My wife, I know, is excited about. We're gonna make a little cinnamon sugar mixture. So we have 1/4 cup of sugar. We're gonna put about a teaspoon or 2 worth of cinnamon sugar in with it. You just take your finger and mix it together.
Do you wash your hands?
Of course. So you got your little cinnamon sugar mixture. So you want to just spread that over the top of your first layer of batter. Your cinnamon sugar mixture on, you're going to take just 1/4 of that cinnamon crunch mixture and put that over this first layer. It's just about 1/4's worth. Yeah, about that much. Kind of spread it around. Okay, once you have your cinnamon crunch mixture in the middle, we're going to take the rest of our batter, the other half of it, and put it over the top of that. Okay, we got that top layer on there. So now we're going to get the rest of that cinnamon crunch mixture. Oops. Just put that over the top of our top layer. Go. Got that top. Just kind of get it mixed evenly as possible.
Looks delicious.
All right, y'all. Now that you have it all in there, we have the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna throw it in there for 50 to 60 minutes. 50 to 60 minutes, this baby should be ready to go. All right, let's take a look at our bread. Ooh, look at that. It smells amazing. So we're just gonna let it cool down for a few minutes and want to try it while it's still warm. Cinnamon crunch, banana swirl bread. Look at that. Looks good.
Yum.
Y'all gotta try this.